So let me show you how to change your hotspot name and password on the Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. So swipe up and go to settings, and then under settings go to network and internet, and then you want to tap on hotspot and tethering, tap on that, and then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you should see the name of your hotspot. You can delete the one that's there and edit or write the hotspot name you want. And then for password, you can also tap on that and then edit the password and then hit OK. So that is basically how to do that. All right. Whenever you turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot now or the hotspot Wi-Fi, it's going to have a new name and password. Thanks for watching and good luck.